What Mama doing? Mama teasing the boy.
Introducing Alexa Emergency Assist. Hands-free, fast, 24/7 help when you need it most. Get help fast. Just ask.
Storytown is a homemaker and substitute teacher from Henderson, Nevada, and a former game show host.
That's right. That's right. When I was at class, couldn't exactly match my skills, but
What kind of a show was it?
it was quiz, but it was more like trying to figure out by the looks of the people whether they could